The roar of race cars from the Norman County Raceway is normal around Ada on Thursday nights, but last Thursday night, sounds of the race cars were reported from 15 miles away. Experts say there's a scientific explanation. Meteorologist Daryl Richardson says an inversion in the atmosphere carried the sound.
A strong inversion was in place. That same phenomenon happens very frequently in the winter, but it does happen this time of year quite commonly as well. And so you just have an inversion as temperatures warm as you go up rather than cool as you go up. And so that cooler air is more dense.
Okay.
And, some meteorology professors would probably scream at me for saying this, but think of it as a cellophane lid on top of you. So then that denser air, the sound waves travel very well horizontally, because as the air tries to go up, it runs into that less dense air and it gets bounced back down to the ground.